Okay, so if you're once again working in the pedal, you've screwed the two blocks back on, the pedal's mounted, the spring is connected. The inner cable has a bang-on bushing at the bottom, a little piece of metal that keeps it from flying through the pedal. And there's even a little clip that's screwed into the pedal that provides that stop so that it doesn't fly through. If all that is working and you're once again all set up, but you're having problems with your sustain, where maybe the dampers aren't lifting, it's just not doing its job, not pulling down the sustain rod. Your issue could be the setting here with this ferrule. We call this a ferrule. It's really a nut. It's a nut that's going to screw onto the sustain rod. And it's got this knurled texture on it. And it stays within this housing. And the housing is what fits in the Wurlitzer and kind of provides a stop so that this can pull and do its job. So this provides that force, keeps everything in place, and this can pull. So if you're pulling or pressing the pedal and it's not doing much, the issue could be where this is. This may be extended too far out, and this relies on where this is mounted on the cable. So you can play with these two screws, unscrew them, lift this up a little bit, take this housing, move it up further along the cable, and this ferrule would sit here at its most extended position instead of here. It'll be more like there. And you might get more pull that way on the sustain rod instead of there. So the distance really from this collar, here's a collar, to the tip of this, or to where this is reaching, may need to be shrunk. And the cable. So if you pull this out, the cable on the inside, its most extended point would be about there. And that might solve your problem with the sustain mechanism. I would give that a try. This is very adjustable, and let me know how that works.